We are with us Delhi Congress State President Devendra Yadav ji. Sir, recently this bill has been passed in the Assembly. What are your major demands?
A major demand is that this should have been consulted with the Parents Forum, and also this should have been put in the public domain so that people could have reacted, people could have given their suggestions. But it's sad that as the Aam Aadmi Party had been doing, bringing in bills without consultation, the same way BJP has come up with this bill without consultation of the parents, without consulting the Aam people of, who are affected in this. So we are opposing. This bill should be put in public domain first, and only then it should be passed.
Are you opposing some specific point of this bill or the entire bill?
This bill has been very secretly been introduced. It has never come to the light of the people. What we have been demanding is the same thing. This should have been put in the public domain. Apart from that, one of the clauses which says minimum of 15% parents should have some issue. Only then they can approve. They can approach the district forum. So that itself is one thing which we are opposing. Another thing, they can't even approach the civil courts. This provision has also been done in this very bill. So these are few points which have come to our knowledge which we want to oppose.
On one side, government is claiming as a historic move, and on the other side, we can see parents protesting. So what will be the next step from your side?
This has become the habit of BJP. We very well understand, we know. A few years back, they had come up with a farmers bill. When the farmers were not consulted with them, when they opposed the bill, after 1 year, they had to roll back. Same way this kind of bill has been introduced in Delhi Assembly also. So this is one thing which we want. This should come at least to the public domain. It should have been consulted with the parents, which they are not. So definitely there are many things which might come up when this bill will come into the public domain.